Are you ready to take your home workouts to a whole new level? Do you want to make exercise fun again by adding a little challenge to your regular routine? Invest in a weighted jump rope to improve your agility, coordination, strength, and overall endurance. This seemingly simple fitness staple will have you improving by leaps and bounds. A unique piece of fitness equipment, weighted jump ropes are essential for achieving several fitness goals. Thanks to their versatility, you're sure to find a use for this handy fitness tool. Tackle a stubborn weight, build strength, tone your muscles, or work on your flexibility. All of this can be achieved by training with a weighted jump rope. However, like any other piece of fitness equipment, the options available on the market can be a little overwhelming. This is where we come in. We've compiled a list of our favorite weighted jump ropes. Number 1. Crossrope Weighted Jump Rope. The Crossrope Weighted Jump Rope is the perfect jump rope to make your home workout sessions more fun and results-oriented. If you're looking for a quick way to shed some weight, try using this weighted jump rope, which comes in a set of 2 ropes. Each set includes a 0.25-pound rope and a 0.50-pound rope, allowing you to start with the lighter weight and work towards the heavier one. What's more, these jump ropes feature slim handles that have a good grip so you can jump with ease. Plus, you can quickly switch out the ropes thanks to their fast clip system. These jump ropes can be used anywhere, from your home gym to your local park. They're made of durable braided steel which won't tangle or coil up. Not only will you work out your arms with these ropes, but they're known for targeting all areas of your body. Because of these spectacular features, we've chosen this weighted jump rope set as our top overall pick. Number 2. Waist Tau Weighted Jump Rope. It can often be hard to keep track of time and laps when you're skipping rope, but that won't be a problem with this rope. This digital weighted jump rope by Waist Tau has a counter that tracks the time, reps, and amount of calories you've burned. Once you reach the exercise goal you set, the timer will sound a noise to let you know. This weighted jump rope also has removable weights in the handles so you can adjust the weight according to your liking. What's more, the handles are made of soft foam that is comfortable to hold and won't leave blisters on your hands. Plus, the length of the rope can also be adjusted. Even if you're tall, you can easily use this weighted jump rope. Number 3. Life Easy Weighted Jump Rope. Most adjustable weighted jump ropes are hard to use since you often need screws to put them back together, but that isn't the case with this wonderful product. The Life Easy Weighted Jump Rope features a self-locking design. All you need to do is measure out the rope and cut it to your preferred length. If you like a bit of a challenge, this rope allows you to skip fast due to the built-in bearings. Plus, the 360-degree ball bearings keep this weighted jump rope from tangling, allowing it to rotate faster. What's more, this weighted jump rope is made of high-quality steel, which has a polyurethane coating to make it long-lasting and prevent it from cracking. Lastly, this handy jump rope is great for both professionals and beginners. Number 4. Proud Panda Weighted Jump Rope. Losing weight has never been easier than with these heavy jump ropes by Proud Panda. Coming in various rope lengths and weights, you can use this weighted jump rope to shed pesky pounds or to perform various resistance exercises. Using this weighted rope has many benefits, such as improving balance, boosting agility, and burning calories. What's more, the handles are made of high-quality rubber, which offer an excellent, secure grip. This weighted jump rope is made of a durable braided polymer material. Each strand is tightly woven so that it won't loosen even during intense workout sessions. Plus, there is a wear-resistant nylon sleeve over the rope that increases its abrasion resistance. Number 5. Pulse Athletics Weighted Jump Rope. This weighted jump rope by Pulse Athletics will help you build your stamina while you get in shape. This jump rope is highly adjustable and can be set according to your height. Plus, if you decide the weight is too much, you can remove the weights for an easier exercise experience. This unique weighted rope is a great way to tone your body with effective exercises. It will make you feel the burn after each session. What's more, this thick rope features bearings so that it won't tangle no matter how much you use it. Plus, its ergonomically designed foam handles ensure a strong, comfortable grip while you jump. This is a versatile piece of gym equipment that can be used for everything from speed training to CrossFit.